goes out to all my biology students. If listening to this song helps you better understand and remember the process of cellular respiration, then making it was totally worth it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the song.
Respiration. It's a long, complicated process that I need to know for a biotest. But it turns my brain is a big, huge mess. Cellular respiration. It breaks down food and releases energy. Food molecules are glucose specifically, and the oxygen to oxidize thoroughly. Gives also carbon dioxide, also water and oxide. But ATP is why we got this right. Cellular respiration. It's made up of 3 main stages, but it takes so many pages. And to know it all seems to take many ages. It says, it means split. It's first off in the cytoplasm. Takes 1 glucose and 6 carbons. Oh shit. Wait a minute, we gotta be reading the video.
Glucose has phosphated, breaks into
Phosphate, break into 2 molecules. That seems like phase 2 NAP. Coming outside.
Electrons and hydrogen and free phosphates. Phosphate break off.
ATP is made. Left with pyruvate. There's 2 of them, and they go into the Krebs cycle, which happens in the mitochondria. Oh wait, not really. Let's count the ATP. 4 remaining, 2 were spent. Glycolysis. Didn't need any oxygen. 2 NADH. Now hydrogen.
2 purate
molecules were made in the end.
Purate.
It's lost along the way. Molecules turn into acetyl CoA. 2 carbons carried by coenzyme. Krebs cycle next. 4 carbon molecules. 2 connect now. Get oxidized. 1 carbon left. We'll do this twice. 4 carbon left. 1 ATP made. Oxidized. F88. What are molecules? Okay, they get the point. We got water no time.
Alright, we gonna edit.
Today I'll be interviewing Miss Barbosa. She is a specialist in the study of photosynthesis. I just want to get her expertise on exactly what photosynthesis is. Miss Barbosa, can you tell me which 2 light colors does chlorophyll absorb most? The viewers would like to know.
It's the red and blue colors that absorb it the most.
Excellent, excellent. How long have you been a specialist in photosynthesis?
A couple years now. I don't want to brag, but I'm pretty good.
Okay, Ms. Barbosa. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. What is the source of this oxygen inside the plant?
Okay, cut it.
Rolling.
It's water.
Water. And thank you so much for that. Which of the following colors of light is absorbed by the chlorophyll?
It's the blue color.
Cool. Excellent. Thank you so much for doing this interview. I just have one more question. What is the light energy used for doing photosynthesis?
It's to produce ATP.
ATP, and what exactly is ATP?
It's energy.
Excellent. Thank you, Ms. Barbosa. She's a specialist in photosynthesis. Thank you for taking this time to interview with me. Thanks. Hey, boo. So what you want to do tonight?
I got Netflix.
All right. Well, we could Netflix and chill then.
Chop shop.
No, Netflix and chill. Look what Netflix and chill did. Oh, shit.
Who else you Netflix and chill?
I'm on Netflix and chilling with you.
I only got one account. I don't know how many other accounts you might have. You might got some other folks' passwords.
No. That is some mess. No. This is your baby.
Talking about some cell division and all this other stuff. The cells can be mutated. You can be cancerous. I don't know. These special needs, Mr. Chromosomes. I don't know.
No, my baby is gonna be haploid, not diploid. It's gonna have everything that it's need. 46 chromosomes. Thank you very much.
That sound all good now. So you're going to have wig, food stamps, link, and all that because I'm about to ghost. I got Netflix and chill appointment somewhere around the corner.
Love and hip hop, you see drama. Love and hip hop, you see love. Love and hip hop, you see happiness. Love and hip hop, you see hate. Love and hip hop, you see real. Love and hip hop, you see fake. Love and hip hop, and this is Love and hip hop. Let's start the show.
We're trying to get this music together. Like pretty much what I envision is pretty much an empire.
See, I have my stuff together.
Well, we're just gonna work with what you got and gonna put what I got together.
Doing.
We're gonna try to just get it like to the next level. Like you right here.
I know what I'm doing.
You here? We gonna try to get you up there. Like we try to get
I'm
you up there.
I'm already up there.
Excuse me.
What is Mimi doing here?
You know, we all collaborative. We all gonna pretty much keep together and
nothing. We ain't collaborating nothing.
We can work
right
together.
Now. What is
like we all can work
Jocelyn
together.
doing here?
What is she doing here?
It's a
What is
business. It's a
Jocelyn
business.
doing
We all work.
no
If everybody
business, you
eat from the
fool
table,
stuff.
everybody eat from the table. We got enough food for everybody.
You ain't gonna see you
Everybody
doing it
can.
no more.
Everybody can eat.
In fact, the chances of the fertilized egg surviving are far from certain. Some will do nothing, but just over half. It makes a copy of itself and divides again and again. Seen down the lens of a laser microscope, the dividing egg looks like a strange berry. It's a cluster of 8 identical cells. But they won't be identical for long.
If you please.
We're Siamese, if you please.
We are Siamese, if you please.
Like
Together, like y'all twins.
Like an
We are twins.
We are Siamese, if you please.
Okay, we got it.
We are Siamese, if you please.
There you go. All right, call it out.
Metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis.
Don't do it again. All right, one more time.
Ready? Metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis.
All right, one more time.
Metaphase, telophase. No, it's anaphase.
Anaphase.
All right, start over.
Metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis.
All right.
Good evening, boys and girls. I'd like to tell you a story, a very wonderful story about fermentation. Okay, boys and girls, fermentation reduces organic molecules in order to regenerate NADH. Ethanol fermentation occurs in yeast. CO2, ethanol, and NADH are produced. Lactic acid fermentation occurs in animal cells, especially muscles. Electrons are transferred from NADH to pyruvate to produce lactic acid. I don't like this story. I would like to talk about wine fermentation. Why? Because I love wine so much. Wine fermentation. First of all, I just like to say that I am a level 1 sommelier. I love wine so much, so I actually know something about wine. And I know most of us are going to be nurses, and I know we all sitting in class like, we're not going to use this being nurses. This is totally ridiculous, all this stuff we have to use. But I was so surprised when I took my sommelier class that they talked about biology in a level 1 sommelier class. They talked about wine fermentation. So what they basically talked about was wine fermentation occurs when the yeast consumes sugar and it converts it into approximately half the alcohol and half the CO2. In around 15 days, the yeast will die off naturally, and whatever is left over, the sugar will remain in the wine. So I found that to be interesting. So just passing on my knowledge of the wine and the fermentation. This is my favorite subject in biology because I love wine so much. So this is a good night story, boys and girls, and thank you for watching, and good night.